the 4th of July. Happy 4th. But I have people here right now, but I can't show you right now because they don't want to be on camera. But you know who always come through? William. William always come through.
Y'all, it's your boy Will T. Get at me. I love y'all.
He in here cooking taco salad. So we're gonna have taco salad, fruit, potato salad, jerk chicken from somebody over there, but they don't want to be seen, so y'all see them later. And then
chicken thighs.
Oh, some chicken thighs.
Like
chicken thighs.
Chicken.
And what else? Oh, corn on the cob. Corn on the cob.
Corn on the cob, bam.
Hi, Olivia. Like, what are you doing? Hello. She don't know what to do.
Don't even. I can't even get to the kitchen.
Nasim is sleeping right now. We're about to go to the pool in a second after William is done. And then Ahmad is at the store getting some stuff. It's gonna be a fun day. We're gonna go see the fireworks too. Mr. Man. Let's get up, poo-poos.
Hey, boo-boo. Are you ready?
We're gonna have so much fun today. We're about to go swimming. I'm gonna put Nasim's swim stuff on. Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay. Let me pick one.
Well, mind you, I still got to put the lettuce on, but I'm gonna do that when we come back. You good?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Good.
You know how to do that, y'all. Okay, it's really basic as here. I just put some meat on some chips and called it the day.
At the pool, we are having a great time. Ahmad got this from, where did you get this from? Target. Target? And Nasim is loving it. He can just float on by himself. Bye. It is so nice, but we're gonna enjoy swimming some more. Oh, and I just did my hair, so yeah, I can swim, but I'm not swimming underwater today. I'm in the kitchen and you not, girl. Look, he got his plate. He ready.
You ready to get your food?
He holding it.
You ready to get your food on?
You ready to eat? We are back from the pool. Got our food. William's starving, but he won't get a plate. Why won't you get a plate?
I'm in the way. For everybody to get out.
I'm sorry, Will. We about to eat. We about to eat. I'm hungry. Nasim came in the kitchen with his plate. Clearly, he's hungry too. You ready to eat? Look at his cute shirt. We got this shirt the other day from Kohl's. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Poo-poos.
Oh, he got his little plate. Oh.
He came in ready though. He seen everybody with their plates. He was like, oh y'all. So everyone has left now. I actually didn't record when we were like eating and hanging out, but my dad and my stepmom were here, and then my friend Amalia, her daughter Lilia, my niece Olivia, my brother, and my sister Brittany. But they left already, and now we're headed to the fireworks. Well, I don't know why I was about to say, oh, Lilia. Lilia is so excited about the fireworks. Nasim actually hates fireworks, but he'll be okay, hopefully. We'll see. Yeah, we need noise canceling.
You think he'll wear the earplugs?
I don't think he will. We'll try to cover his ears. Woo! So Nasim is right here. We're at the Clawson fireworks. It's about 9 o'clock right now, so they'll be starting soon. But we're gonna go check out the carnival fair part, and then we're gonna go back to our spot. Ahmad is with us, but he's holding down the fort right now so that we get a good spot, and that's not crowded because I hate crowds. There's tons of people here. Right now, my friend and her daughter just went to go get on rides. And then me and Nasim are here. We're gonna get something to drink and take it back to Ahmad. Fireworks are probably happening in like a half hour, so we really don't have that much time. Her daughter really wanted to ride some rides, so that's what we're doing. Me and Nasim have met my friend right now. They're on the ride. Did you have fun, Lilia? Yeah. Are you dizzy? You dizzy? Girl. Okay, so I found at least some decent lighting, and I'm kind of excited about it. But we are headed to Ahmad right now. Molly don't ever want to talk on camera.